So one more video here for you guys. On this, I got a new customer here. He brought the car. It's a Chevy Trax. He brought the car. He take it to like 3 auto shop already, and he said that they can't fix it, but he had a mobile mechanic coming to his house, and the mobile mechanic replaced the back cover, because honestly, those back covers on this Chevy Trax and the Chevy Sonic, they like to go bad too. So because of the PCB is built inside of the back cover, but on this one, I think it's a different problem. I'm gonna show you right now. He think it was the back cover, and he want me to replace it, and when I check it, I saw something different. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys now what is going on with this Chevy Trax, and then you guys know what to do next. Because the Chevy Trax, they have an issue with the coils, and the back cover and the timing chain. Those are the common issue on this new Chevy Trax. So when I start the engine, I saw a spark. You see the spark right here. Sparking behind the coil. This is sparking, you can see it right there. It's right behind the coil. Those coils on this car, they are terrible. They're really bad. And this one have the 1.4 liter. So if you have a Chevy Trax that you having like a losing power, or like misfire when you like slowing down, or like when you stop at the stoplight, it could be your back cover, or it could be your coil. So you gotta watch out for that. I could make a video on how to replace the coil, but I'm gonna show you real quick. What you wanna do is, like, when you're gonna replace this coil, you gotta like turn the car off, obviously, and you only have this connector here. Like, you gotta pop this purple or pink clip right here, and then you open the connector, and then you put it on one side, and all you have is 2 bolts. We are 30 millimeter start point. You can just take those bolts out, pull the core up, replace it with a new one, and then pull back the bolt and the plug, and then you should be good to go. If you have check engine light, and if you have like a OBD2 scanner, you can just reset the code, and then you should be good to go. So I hope this video, even if I'm not gonna do the job like replacing the coil, because it's so easy to do it, I hope you guys like know what to do next. So like, before you go to a mechanic shop, you want to make sure that if it's the coil or if it's the back cover, because this back cover, they could be expensive. They could be like for $450 they could charge you to do this back cover here. But for the coil, if it's that's the problem right here, if you're having this issue right here, you see this part, you can just go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and get one of those aftermarket coils and replace it yourself. You don't gotta go to a mechanic to pay like $400 or $500 to do this coil right here. All right, so I hope this video helps somebody out there, and subscribe, share the video, like, comment. Thank you.